Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a quick video to let you know how to change your Wi-Fi network's name and the Wi-Fi password that you use to connect securely to your router. Now, the reason why you might want to change that is because sometimes we have our Wi-Fi networks that are constructed by people that we don't really trust that much, or we just want to have full control of our own network and don't necessarily want everybody to know our password. It could be that you just gave your password to somebody and now you wish you didn't. So there are different things and reasons why. So what you need to do is log on to your router's web page. Now you need to know its IP address. Most routers are 192.168.1.1. Some are 192.168.0.1. You can right click if you want on your network and open Network Sharing Center. And here if you click Wi-Fi or Ethernet if you're on Ethernet and go into details, you will see something called the default gateway, which is 192.168.1.1 in my case. That is your IP address from your router. So you go there, you enter that address at the address bar in any browser, Chrome, Firefox, I'm using Microsoft Edge, and you'll go to the login page. The login page has a username and password. You need that information. Now, if you haven't changed anything here, it could be admin username and admin password. Most people never change that, and that's the default. Some routers have admin username and nothing in the password. Some have admin username, some in the password is simply login. So depending on your device, it might be written somewhere, or if somebody changed it for you, try to get that information. If you can't, you can actually reset your router and it will come back to the defaults admin. When you log in into your router, you'll go into the wireless section. Now this is a Linksys, but most routers work in the same manner. The network name is what we call the SSID. This is where you'll enter the name of the network that you want to give to your Wi-Fi network. So mine here is potato in French, which is patate. Then you go into the wireless security and try to give it a name that doesn't link it to the type of router you have. For example, don't give it Linksys, or give it something fun that you can remember, that is your own network. Then you have the passphrase or password. Make sure you're at WPA2 personal. This is the highest security. This is good security. And make it as long as possible and as obscure as possible, like the one I have here, which I will change after the video, of course. And make sure that it is something that you write down somewhere or can remember easily when you start connecting to your router. Once that is done, save settings, reboot your router, or it's going to reboot automatically. If you were connected through Wi-Fi, you'll see that you'll lose your connection, and the reason is simple. You change your password and the name of your Wi-Fi network. So you need to go back into the list here of Wi-Fi networks and click again on that new network, give it the new password that you've just entered, and you'll reconnect again. And you know what? If you've given your password or anything to somebody now, he doesn't know anymore. He can't connect anymore. So that's how you change it yourself. It's not that difficult, but most people avoid doing it. And you know what? You'll be much more secure with something that you create yourself than something that somebody else creates for you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up if you like the videos, and hope that you come back to our Fixit channel.